Nothing Phone 3 has sparked major curiosity among fans, especially after tech tipster Francesco Snowlin shared a concept feature image online. The image showcases a wish list of features users hope to see in the upcoming device. Expectations include design upgrades, smarter software, and enhanced camera capabilities. As the official launch nears, excitement continues to build around what Nothing will deliver. So, what's new? Let's break it down. But before we dive into further details, join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. At the heart of the device is the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This is Qualcomm's top-tier processor, built to offer the best speed, power efficiency, and AI capabilities. This means the Phone 3 will be extremely fast, handle gaming and multitasking smoothly, and support advanced features like real-time image processing and smart assistant tools. One of the biggest highlights is the dot matrix rear display. Nothing is continuing its unique design language with a matrix of lights on the back, which will likely be more interactive and customizable than before. It's a big part of what sets the Nothing phone apart visually and functionally from the competition. The image also says that the Phone 3 will launch with Nothing OS 3.5, the latest version of the company's custom operating system based on Android 16. This OS is expected to bring a more refined experience with new features, better animations, and deeper customization. It will be lighter, smoother, and designed to make the most of the hardware and the dot matrix back display. When it comes to visuals, the phone could have an anti-glare display. This means you can expect better screen visibility under direct sunlight or bright lighting, ideal for outdoor use. It's also confirmed that the display size will be 6.5 inches or smaller, making the phone more compact and easier to use with one hand, especially compared to today's oversized phones. Battery life is getting a major boost too. The Nothing Phone 3 will include a 6,000 mAh silicon carbon battery. That's significantly larger than what we see in most phones today. Silicon carbon batteries are more energy-dense and efficient, meaning this phone could easily last more than a day on a single charge, even with heavy usage. In terms of charging, Nothing is stepping up with Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging. This is the latest standard that offers better alignment, faster speeds, and improved safety when wirelessly charging your device. It's great to see Nothing keeping up with modern tech standards. Haptic feedback also gets a mention, with a top-level vibration motor that promises a better, more satisfying touch response. Whether it's typing, gaming, or getting alerts, the vibration experience will feel more precise and premium. This list is not just a feature wish list. These are the expectations people want from Nothing to deliver in its upcoming Phone 3. In summary, Nothing Phone 3 is shaping up to be one of the most balanced and feature-packed smartphones of the year. From performance and design to battery life and software, Nothing is known for listening to its users and willing to bring meaningful upgrades. With a more compact design, a standout rear display, and cutting-edge specs, Phone 3 might just be the ideal Android phone we have seen so far. What is your wish list for the Nothing Phone 3? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more early tech updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.